Right.
really all I
Yeah,
have.
that's the idea.
I gotta dry out this bag now because that's my in the car bag.
Whoa.
Because we didn't hit the beach today like we were supposed to.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to get up early if we're going to
Yeah.
hit the beach. And
Yeah.
you guys have to be up and moving.
Yeah, you're right. You're literally right.
What I'll do is I'll change right into my bathing. Right. All right. If that works for you, we can do it.
I know I've slept in the last 2 days, but I can be up. Like, that's not a problem for me.
I was so glad to see Mike and Dee. It was good.
It was-
Yeah.
And I'm seriously considering taking her up on
I
that.
know.
You know, I don't know that I would stay with her. I wouldn't, impose myself on her, but I'm sure she'd let us.
Whoa. Oh, I just got that. I just got those. I just got that.
Honestly, don't act like you hadn't been there at moments with Daddy.
Sorry I keep missing them.
It's a perfect night.
Yeah.
It's not humid. It's hot.
Gorgeous.
Ooh, that was
Whoa, I just saw one. I just saw another.
Yeah.
Oh, I just got that one.
And we should look up that Market Commons and see what kind of restaurants they have if we didn't want to spend too much money. You know?
Right.
That winter.
Oh, I just got it. I just got it. I hope I got it.
Aiden said the food was good, but it was
Not enough.
not enough.
Thought there was another one. Yeah.
Although
Whoa.
I'm happy with mine.
Whoa.
Crab soup was delicious.
It's nice sitting here watching the fireworks.
I bet the locals are happy.
Yeah, this is South Carolina. The tourists never go home.
I know. Mom, see, this is what happens when you find fireworks in South Carolina. They're everywhere.
Come back in March. And, also, the tourists are a big industry down here.
Oh, I know.
Ah. Thought I heard one behind me. Oh! Wait. No, I missed it. Wait. Oh, I heard it. I missed on camera. There's another one. And there's another. Wow. They're literally everywhere. Mom, I'm not kidding. They're literally everywhere. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got that one. I don't know which way to turn. I don't know which way to look.
This way, there's more going on down here.
Is that north or south?
North.
Yeah, that's north. And there's some south which are behind us. And those south ones are closer to us than these ones in the north.
But they're not as frequent.
Huh. I got two from the south. They just keep coming. They literally just keep coming.
She was mad. She wasn't tall enough to ride on the ride. But like, what is that forehead shape?
Oh, I got it! Huh. Wow.